G'day folks, it's Chef Tony and Chef Roberto from Lloyd's Auctions here, and today we're going to introduce you to the brand new portable pizza ovens that we're selling here at Lloyd's for 150 bucks. That's right, they retail for $699 and you can pick them up today for $150. And now we're going to show you how to use them. They are super easy and just in time for Father's Day. Roberto, let's get started. These pizza ovens, folks, have been flying out the door since Saturday. I'm telling you right now, we just can't stop people's interest. It's unbelievable. So as I said, folks, just in time for Father's Day, save $550. And the best part as well is that it's completely portable. It does take the same gas bottle that you hook up to your barbecue at home. So there's nothing new here. What also happens is it comes included with this carry cover as well, completely straps down underneath it. So you can basically just pick it up just like a briefcase, take it to your mate's place or take it to the campsite, fire it up, and you'll have pizzas in minutes. These ovens claim to cook pizzas in as little as 60 seconds, folks. So that's what we're going to try today. How are you going with this one, Roberto? You getting it ready, mate?
Almost ready.
Put a bit of the cheese blend on there. We've got a bit of mozzarella cheddar there and some parmesan too.
Another one sold, Tony.
There we go. We're still selling them here, folks. This sale is online for 5 more days, ladies and gentlemen, till Friday. You don't want to miss your chance. We've got hundreds of them, but that's only hundreds for now. That's right, they're flying out the door. 150 bucks, brand new. You don't want to miss your chance. All right, so in she's gone. That beautiful pizza there. So we've got the timers running, folks, 60 seconds. And by the way, I don't have it on full heat either because this thing is red hot. We do recommend though that you do keep just nicely turning the pizza around as it's cooking so you don't burn a particular end of it or side of it. But folks, we've already had a trial run in this oven this morning and we've let customers try them as well as our own team, and they're giving it the big old thumbs up. So, sounds all right to me. What do you say, Roberto?
Molto bene. It's looking really good.
All right. So we're nearly done. We're at how many seconds to go, guys? We're at 45 seconds so far.
One more turn, Tony.
With the portable pizza oven. Oh, that's looking beautiful and brown on the outside. Oh, yep, well done. Nigel's just bought one out there out of Brisbane. We look forward to seeing you, Nigel, in the next couple of days to come and pick up your brand new pizza oven just in time for Father's Day. As I said, folks, click the link in the description. It'll take you straight to the sale. Buy now, 150 bucks. You cannot argue with that. And we'll also ship it anywhere in Australia that you like, folks. You can get a shipping quote in the bidding centre there as well. Very, very reasonably priced shipping. And there you have it, folks. A beautiful margarita pizza with a bit of basil garnish there, thanks to the hands of Roberto. And I can see the team around us absolutely chomping at the bit to give it a taste. But that's it, folks. Brand new portable pizza ovens. Pizzas cooked fresh in as little as 60 seconds. Don't miss your chance. Click the link below. 150 bucks if you were looking for that Father's Day gift. I think you've just found it. You can save 550 bucks. Don't miss your chance. Click now.